Chapter 6 My Neighborhood. The area around a house is a neighborhood. Many such neighborhoods together make a city. People living in a neighborhood are called neighbors. Neighbors help one another. They celebrate festivals together. Most neighborhoods have some places that everyone uses. These places provide services to the people. Let us read about a few such places. First is a market. Every neighborhood has a market. A market has many shops. They sell different things. We buy fruits, vegetables, bread, butter, milk, and eggs from the market. Some neighborhoods have small markets. Some have big markets. Next is a post office. Some neighborhoods have a post office. We can send and receive letters through a post office. We post our letters in a letter box. The postman or postwoman collects the letters from the letter box and takes them to the post office. From there, the letters are sent to different places. We buy stamps, envelopes, and postcards from the post office. We can send parcels and money orders from the post office. Hospital. We go to a hospital when we are sick or injured. There are many doctors and nurses in a hospital. Doctors tell us what medicines to take. Nurses look after people who have to stay in the hospital. Some neighborhoods have a dispensary. A dispensary is much smaller than a hospital. Next, bank. Most neighborhoods have banks. We keep our money and jewelry safe in a bank. Many neighborhoods have ATMs. An ATM is an automatic machine from which people take out money. Fire station. There are fire stations in most neighborhoods. When there is a big fire, we call up the fire station. A fire station has fire engines and firefighters. The firefighters put out fires and save lives. Police station. Most neighborhoods have a police station. The police guard our neighborhood and keep it safe. They also help us find lost things. Some policewomen and policemen control traffic. They are called the traffic police. We must obey the traffic police and follow the traffic Rules. A short summary. Keep your neighborhood clean. Throw waste only in the dustbin. Grow trees to keep your neighborhood green. The area around a house is its neighborhood. People living in a neighborhood are called neighbors. Markets, post offices, banks, hospitals, fire stations, and police stations provide services to people.